Hello guys, welcome back to my fourth tutorial. This is Viera from Viera Manufacturing Services. Okay guys, in the last tutorial we successfully complete the VMS project 1. So in this tutorial we are going to be speaking about the VMS project 2. So this is the VMS project 2. Okay, let's get started rapidly. So these are just the drawings, drawing 1, drawing 2, and then drawing 3. So let's start with drawing 1. Okay, let's open the software, file, new, just drag this, path. Okay, so looking at the first drawing, considering the third angle projection, so this is the top view, front view, and then side view. So firstly we are going to draw a rectangle. So one thing again, dimensions are only inches, so we have to be working in inches guys. So rectangle of 5 by 1.9, then we have to put a chamfer and then an extrusion of 0.75. okay, let's do this. So 5 point, okay, good. So top view, sketch, top, center rectangle. Oh, one thing first, sorry, convert the unit in inch. Okay, sketch, top view, center rectangle. Okay, smart dimension. Okay, 5. I think it's 5 by 0. Was it 1.95? Okay, let's just check this rapidly. Okay, 5 by 1.95. okay, with a chamfer of 0.5 at each side. So this fillet will do it later on. So chamfer 0.25 and an extrusion of 0.75. okay, chamfer. So click on chamfer command. Okay, 0.25, enter. This edge, vertex, this vertex, and this vertex. Okay, finish sketch. With sketch 2 selected, or sketch 1, an extrusion of 0.75. okay, making sure we have blind here. Okay, fine. Okay, looking at the diagram, we have a fillet. Just look at these edges, it's broken. So we have a fillet of 0.13. So at each side equally. Fillet command, 0.13. Okay, so select this edge. You could just make full preview, then select this edge. So every edge. Oh, sorry, just cancel this. Yeah, making sure that all edges are selected. Okay, I think we are good to go. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so far good. Let's look what is next. Okay, I think we are done with this sheet, guys. So let's go to the next sheet. Okay, so in this sheet we have this cutoff. Okay, so at this point and equally at this point. So looking on our drawing, so we will just draw a rectangle, corner rectangle, making sure that it's of length, or let me say width rather, 1 inch, and the distance from the edge should be 0.5. okay, so let's do this. Okay, select at the surface, sketch, just place a center line, make sure to trace out. Okay, making sure your center line is straight, right click, construction line. Okay, fine. Corner rectangle, Okay, just take this point and this point. Okay, fine. Smart dimension, making sure here that it's 1 inch. The distance from the edge should be 0.5 inch. Okay, it's fully defined. So mirror entity, this point, mirror line, the y-axis. Okay, good. So we have to extrude this by, just follow down, we extrude it by 0.4 inch. Okay, so extrude cut. Okay, good. 0.4 inch. Okay, perfect. Okay, just fine. I was just trying to cover this. Okay, good. This dimension, I don't know, I don't want to go. Okay, good guys. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so right now we have to speak about this hose at the surface. So looking at the position of the hose, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 holes. So one thing we are going to do is select the surface, sketch, just take point, just put it this way. Yeah, just something like this. It's not that perfect, but it's okay. Okay, let's just go back here. This point and this one, it should be vertical, horizontal, horizontal. Okay, I see. So this point and this point, horizontal relation. Okay, this point and this point, vertical relation. This point and this particular point, vertical. Okay, this point here and this one, horizontal relation. Okay, this point and this point should be horizontal. Okay, it is good for now. Okay, so from this point to this edge, 3 inch. Okay, from this point to the other edge, this inch. Okay, so we just have to respect this. Let me just push this over here. Okay, so smart dimension. Okay, so from this point to this point, we have 3 inch. Okay, so next from this point to this point, we have about, if I'm not mistaken, 2.88 inch. Okay, fine. So I think this point to this point, we have, was it 2 inch? Yeah, it is 2 inch. And the last was 2.13. Yeah, this point to this point. Oh, sorry. This point to this point. Good. 2.13 inch. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, think. So now from this point to this one, we have 1.6 inch. Now the distance between this point to this upper edge is 0.3, and then we have 0.98. So let's apply this. Smart dimension. Okay, what is selected? So the distance from here to this point is 1.6 inch. Okay, so we got equal distance from here to this point, which is 0.35, and the distance from this point to this point, we have 0.98. Okay, good, perfect, it's fully defined. Okay, stop sketch. Okay, hole wizard. Good. So let's look at this. So as you notice, we have, anytime we have a variation in diameter, so it's a tap hole with extrusion of 0.58, and again we have another extrusion of 0.38, that is for the chamfer, and again we have a countersink of 0.28 at 90 degrees. Okay, let me show you guys how to put this. Just push this. Okay, so firstly, tap hole selected. Okay, good. So standard, it should be inch, type, bottom, top hole. Again, hole specification, as you notice, the hole specification over here is 1/420, so it should be the same, 1/420. Okay, good. Now show custom sizing. So this custom sizing, it should be the same equally. Just a moment. Okay, so custom sizing should be the same, 0.23. okay, fine. Looking at the diagram, we have 0.58 as extrusion, so blind 0.58. okay, fine. Second extrusion is 0.38, so the software puts 0.38 automatically already. Okay, fine. Just go down. Okay, side, near side countersink. So the near side countersink should be thick. Now we trade on thick. So near side countersink extrusion is 0.28 according to the diagram. Okay, it's all fine. So next thing is just click on position, 3D sketch, then just select this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Okay, so click on OK. Okay, so those are the holes, perfectly done. Okay, so let's look at this next. Okay, so the holes are perfectly done. So let's go to the last sketch. Okay, so looking at this, we have fillets at this particular end. Let me just zoom the screen. So we have fillets at this particular edges, right? And this fillet is about 0.02. And again, we have surface chamfer of 0.01. Okay, so let's do this. Fillet 0.02. Okay, so let's take this edge, this edge, this edge. So make sure to select all edges. Okay, all fine. So click here. Okay, good. So next is chamfer. Taking a chamfer of 0.01 at the surface, so just select this face, equally this face, then just rotate the diagram and equally select the bottom face. Okay, all good. Something wrong. Do one thing, just unselect. So select this face. Okay, let's take this face. Oh, sorry, this face, and again this face. Let's check. No, not working. So let's take one face, this face. Okay, so this works. So repeat back chamfer. Okay, this face. Okay, not working. So unselect this face. Okay, good. So chamfer again. Just take one by one in case. Okay, just rotate the diagram, this face. Okay, good. So here we have this. So here at this particular center, no need to make chamfer, so it's perfect. So looking at the diagram, we are done. Looking at the diagram, we are totally done with the VMS project 2. Okay, one thing more, guys, we have to add material. Looking at it, we are using 304 steel. So our material here is 304 steel. So we have to add this material. So let me show you guys how to do this. Okay, so just go under this material. So as you notice, it's not specified. So just right click, edit material, then just write 304. Good. So just select this and then apply, and then you can just close. So as you notice, the material right now is steel. Okay, just click on the body, then come on appearance, click here, click on body. So we have to change the color. I think where the final project looks kind of red. Let me just check this. Okay, good. It looks kind of red. So good. So just take the second one. Fine. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. We are done designing the VMS project 2. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be generating the M&G code. Thanks a lot, guys. Kindly like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys.